Good morning, Doctor. We up to 11. We want to talk about logistic function of this iconic company. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lim Jiawei and my memory number is 822-80641. Today I'm going to talk about the transportation of iconic company. Iconic company is very good at ensuring their medical product reach customer quickly and safely. They do this in different ways, such as working with their trust partner and using smart technology like GPS and RFID trackers. They also have another brand, such as using helper if anything go wrong. The company is very care about what customer think. So they listen to feedback and make sure they keep customer informed about their orders. This smart and customer friendly approach not only ensure medical supplies get where they need to be on time, but also help them build trust with their customer. Let Iconic become a successful healthcare.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Aisha Binti Jamil with matrix number A22B1065. I want to present about warehousing and storage. Warehousing and storage in a company involve managing and organizing physical space to store goods and products. This includes activities like inventory management, order fulfillment, and ensuring the efficient flow of goods in and out of the facility. Warehouse play a critical role in maintaining a smooth supply chain by providing a centralized location for storing, sorting, and distributing products. Iconic Medicare optimizing their operation warehouse in three-tier design, which ground level for raw material, first level for finished goods, second level for glove manufacturing. Next, Iconic Medicare use proximity to produce areas for reduced time and effort for raw material transportation, and also close proximity for finished good and test it to the production areas according the product flow. Other than that, the effort ensure unrestricted movement for rich trucks and forklifts, improving accessibility throughout the warehouse in Iconic Medicare. The warehouse layout support Iconic Medicare goals of delivering high-quality healthcare supply in a timely manner. Iconic Medicare warehouse layout is a strategic asset, reinforcing their commitment to efficiency in delivering high-quality healthcare supply. Iconic Medicare utilizing innovative inventory software and real-time tracking and centralized documentation process to enhance the effectiveness and accuracy of the inventory management system. To have efficient order processing, Iconic Medicare seamless integration of software expedites payment and shipment process and reduce errors during critical order fulfillment for improved precision. In contrast, streamlines operation ensuring quick and timely order delivery and prompt delivery contribute to building long-term relationship with customer. Iconic Medica also adhered to the Department of Occupational Safety and Health (DOSH) requirement to implementing comprehensive safety measures, including material handling, equipment maintenance, and emergency response procedures. Thank you.
Okay, now for the industrial packaging. Industrial packaging refers to the specialized packaging designed for industrial goods and products. It involves the creation, design, and production of packaging material tailored to protect, store, transport items used in industrial sector like manufacturing, construction, pharmacy, and more. So, in our company, they're using three methods in industrial packaging. First, they're securing the item. The Iconic Medicare using industrial packaging stand as a shield, safeguarding crucial medical supplies during transit and storage from damage or contamination. Utilizing specialized packaging material and design ensures the preservation of the quality and safety of medical items. This protective measure guarantees that healthcare provides pristine supplies ready for immediate use in patient care without compromise. The next point is effective inventory management. Industrial packaging plays a pivotal role in maintaining optimal inventory level by employing data-driven insight inside the logistic function. Through historical data analysis and demand forecasting, the company strategically manage stock, preventing shortage or excess inventory costs. Customized packaging solution not only ensure proper storage but also facilitate organized inventory and enhancing workflow efficient within healthcare setting. And for the last method is the industrial packaging is not harmful to the environment. The company prioritizes eco-friendly packaging material to minimize environmental impact by reducing waste generation and choosing recyclable or reusable material. Embracing sustainable packaging practice align with broader environmental goals and reduce the company ecological footprint. Optimizing transformation roads further contribute to environmental sustainability by minimizing carbon monoxide associated with medical supply distribution. So, in conclusion, industrial packaging seamlessly integrates into healthcare operation, ensuring timely and secure access to the medical supply that they sell. Okay, thank you.
Hello, my name is Fazila Binti Samaping. My metric number A22B1087. I will talk about material handling. Material handling is vital in supply chain management, covering tasks like loading or unloading truck and organizing goods. It ensures efficient movement from raw material reception to finished product distribution. Iconic Medicare Sembilan Berhad, a leading PPE producer, emphasizes efficient material handling through a well-structured logistics system. The company ensures a smooth flow of raw material from storage to production, strategically sourcing from countries like China, Taiwan, Thailand, or Vietnam with multiple suppliers for stability. Adopting just-in-time practice and emphasizing transparency, Iconic Medicare manage a collaborative multi-tier supply chain, ensuring timely deliveries through close collaboration with suppliers and employee visibility solution for ethical sourcing monitoring. Iconic Medicare excels in material handling, employing forklifts, pallet jacks, and conveyor belt for strategic movement of raw materials. Cutting-edge machinery enhance precision, enabling high-volume production with minimized downtime. In logistics, international shipping to Malaysia involve customs clearance, domestic transportation, and meticulous material storage. Efficient distribution of finished PPE product ensured through a network of transportation and logistics partners. Next, Iconic Medicare prioritizes quality control in its material handling, conducting rigorous checks at each stage for raw material integrity. Automated packaging lines equipped with advanced technology efficiently label, box, and palletize final PPE products, showcasing the company's dedication to delivering top-notch quality to distributors and end users. Finished product distribution, optimizing logistics within and between facilities.
Good morning, madam. My name is Hilary Wongkai, and my matrix number is AMD2A0635. Today, I will be presenting about inventory control. Inventory control is the whole procedure of managing inventory from buying the product to handing it over and placing new orders. From the interview, I found out that there are a few strategies that Iconic Worldwide Medicare implemented to manage its medical supplies efficiently. The first strategy will be the first in, first out principle, which is also known as FIFO. This principle usually ships out the older inventory to keep their stocks from expiring and preserve their efficacy. This method is very important, especially when it comes to medical supplies. Iconic Medicare was able to guarantee a steady supply and avoid stockouts from happening with this principle. The second strategy will be the usage of specialized software. The usage of specialized software is to avoid stockouts and overstock situations from happening in the Iconic Medicare. For instance, Iconic Medicare uses SAP inventory management to facilitate stock transfers and offers insights for improved decision making, while SQL accounting software to keep track of their financial transactions. Next is Iconic Medicare will utilize third-party software. This strategy was utilized due to the lack of efficiency of doing their inventory management through simple Excel spreadsheets at the beginning of their business. Iconic Medicare then used the third-party software to automate processes and increase their inventory management efficiency. This software assures that the inventory quantities are tracked constantly and will automatically replenish when the materials hit the minimum order point. Lastly, Iconic Medicare always prioritize inventory items. This is to ensure the availability of critical medical supplies while effectively managing costs and reducing excess stock levels. For example, the management then made the proactive decision to give the production of COVID-19 test kits and face masks a priority production in reaction to this external occurrence. Hence, proactive preparation had been helping Iconic Medicare to have an easy access to all the medical supplies and help overcome all the problems and obstacles. And that's all from me. Thank you.
I will talk about return good handling. Companies handle return differently, either discarding or reprocessing goods. Accurate accounting, tracking, and analysis of return products are crucial for quality improvement and issue identification. Efficient systems are vital for timely issue resolution and return good handling. Iconic Medicare's memberhood has a strict return policy for medical products due to hygiene consideration, encompassing gloves, face masks, and PPE. Next, Iconic Medicare's memberhood efficiently handle return goods received via courier. A rigorous inspection process identifies defect with good condition items re-entering inventory for resale. Average item repacked or labeled as grade B and poor unusable items scrapped. Medicare follows specific procedures for return goods, involving labeling and storage to prevent misuse. Visual inspection by the quality control department ensure that only items meeting new product criteria are allowed back into the sales inventory. This practice aligns with good manufacturing practice GMP standards, emphasizing transparency and stringent quality control. Iconic Medicare seamlessly handles return goods by integrating customer service and inventory control. The customer is always right. Approach ensure quick acceptance of return requests with advanced software facilitating efficient replacement, preparation, and meticulous tracking of return items. Iconic Medicare face challenge in managing large return from major customers like Aeon. Effective problem solving involves crucial coordination between the customer service and warehousing teams, prompting a reorganization of the warehouse of accommodate the influx of return orders. Handling return goods, Iconic Medicare prioritizes customer satisfaction and adheres to industry standards, reflecting its commitment to excellence in the entire supply chain.
Good morning, doctor. My name is Li Xingsi and my number matrix is A22A0762. In this section, we had two interviews with Iconic Worldwide, and through the interview question, I understand that company salvage and scrap disposal through these three questions. First is identification and segregation of salvageable item versus scrap material within its operation. Each face mask is put through a true visual inspection and has its earlobe tension evaluation, make sure it's certified standard. Go through the true visual inspection that include a visual inspection and inflation test and a careful evaluation for the water leak. Defect files are classified according to their level of severity. Low to moderate level problems are marked as salvageable, while high level problems are marked as scrap. The second question is method of channel used by Iconic Worldwide to dispose of scrap material and salvageable items in an environmentally friendly and suitable manner. The recycling company's strategy timing of collection, which occur only after a predetermined quantity of scrap materials has been accumulated, distinguishes Iconic approach. By minimizing the need of transportation, this approach lessens the impact on the environment from automobile emission. The scrap material are carefully broken down and sorted according to the type of material before disposal. The third question is how Iconic Worldwide evaluate the economic valuability of salvage of scrap disposal method to ensure optimal return while adhering to environmental regulation. Low severity defect items are designed of reworking, which requires less time and effort before being resolved, maximizing profit while utilizing resources as little as possible. Grade B files are those that fall in the middle of the severity spectrum They are still usable but not suitable for extensive reworking. To minimize waste and maximize profit, these are either sold at the discount or proposed for use within the company. That's all for me. Thank you.